Okay, in this one I'm give you a little context. There's some apartments over here. There's I forget that's the name of that, but there's a whole row of these kind of cool looking apartments, and the road goes right along them up on the ridge, and then over here it's all ocean gardens. So we're behind ocean gardens, and we're going to be coming up on this little colonial cool thing. Show it to you. Stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yep, that looks kind of cool. Looks like there's so let's go check out this little fortress. It's a tiny little fortress. This is Taipa Pequeño. So now a lot of Macau has more landfill, so this would have been more, I think there's more ocean, and it probably would have came right up to this where all these brick walls were at. So they would have kept the ocean at bay, and then they keep developing more. Over there is the light train rail for Ocean Gardens. So then on the other side is ocean, and then those buildings in the distance are all part of Zhuhai, China. It's over on the other side of the harbor. There's Ocean Gardens right there. And then we're going to be walking into the Jardim do Cais, Garden of Cais. Yeah, I filmed in here before, but I've never really came down this angle. Usually I come up on that angle. So maybe this time I'll do this ground level area. Give you a little taste of it. I haven't really been in here myself. This looks like it's currently in use. Yeah, it is. Okay. So I think you know it's going to be down there. So I'm going to go this way instead. We'll just kind of walk around a little bit. See what we can see. There's Roosevelt Hotel down there. Some nice apartments right there too. So I think all this used to come right up, the ocean would have came up to all this where the walls were at. And there's Pont de Taipa, so that used to be where the, let's kind of walk around that way a little bit. Quay Garden. So I think all this would have came later. And this would have been where the ocean would have come in at. The pont is, I think it's like pier or bridge, one of the two. So I guess this is all where the workers would, okay. So let that one, I guess all the workers who maintain the gardens are in that area. Yeah, so this is Taipa Pequeño up that way. There's also a little police station around here somewhere too, because there's police cars usually park in this area. So let's just go up to the top. And there's Roosevelt. Roosevelt is a newer hotel. I think that's a police station over there because there's two flags, including a Macau flag. Yeah, it is. But we're going to focus on this Jardim de Cais by going up inside of it. There's also a bridge over here, so there's another way to get back to Ocean Gardens. Gas station over there. Jardim do Cais, Monument Garden. So we're going to go straight up this way. So there we go. Okay. Get your sodas. Got some cannons up here. Like that. Pointed in the wrong way now. That might have been ocean before, so they might be painting the right way. That was ocean actually. That was all, that's pointing towards the Cotai strip area. So that would have been all ocean over there. Then this would probably have been more elevated, and probably would have went up into that mountain over there that we could see in the distance. So okay. We're just going a little bit further, and I'm going to end this video and probably do, oh dang, okay. Thought I was going to end it, but I saw something kind of interesting. So this is where we just came in at, right over there, right? There's Ocean Gardens again. I did another video where I saw a memorial, and there's no way for me to get into that from here, but looks like you would go up there if you did. Yeah, that's where you would go. Yeah, that one says no entry, so there's no way to go up there. So it looks like it goes all the way up into that space, and then there's more up there. So I guess I surprised him. So anyways, this is the Jardim de Cais. So we'll walk back down before they say something. But anyways, you kind of got to see a little bit more of Jardim de Cais as well. A lot of people maintaining it. Okay, so let's just go back to our little spot, and then we're gonna end it. There we go. Jardim de Cais. Hang out there and overlook all of this. Here, hang out, hang out and look at your little fortress. All this stuff. All this stuff. And all that stuff. Okay. Let's end this video. Chiquinha, chiquinha.